Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. Today we have Bitcoin and Ethereum daily update. We are going to see the next price target, make a price prediction and technical analysis. Before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, link in the description box and in the comment section. Patreon/MindYourCrypto, you can get easy profits trading 200 altcoins through an automated system with buying and selling opportunities. You will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell, and also how much you buy and how much you sell. You will also get a manual system with over 90% win ratio, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hands, market updates, random giveaways, spine scripts for trading view, many other benefits, live trading, scalping strategy as well. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go right now to see Bitcoin. So what do we have right there? We are struggling, okay? We are struggling to get even higher. I was anticipating that here on the previous day, on 15 February, we would have on the next day a nice bullish candlestick, but it didn't happen. However, right now, as you can see, we are holding the 50-day exponential moving average, the 42.8. This is good. However, we want to see now if we are still fine and we still have strength in our sleeves right there for Bitcoin, then we should be going up high right now and find the bottom as a support level. Although if we can just remove the top trend line right here and go to the bottom trend line, you can see that this is one of the most important ones. If we drop down from here, then we are going further down probably because we might be having actually a fake out. That means we go from bottom of the trend line and then go higher. But instead, if we just go here and find rejection, then we go further down. Anyway, I feel like the 41,000 Tether USD is a very strong support level for now. Actually, the 41.1k for me around this area, and if we are going to lose and find rejection right here, then we might be getting further down, going down. But what are the next targets? What are the most important support levels? Let's see a little bit first the risk metrics. Right now, what I didn't like about Bitcoin is that it made a lower high with the commodity channel index, finding rejection as it approached the overbought situation. You can see that is like the tip of a mountain, of an iceberg actually, okay, the tip of an iceberg going up above the sea, and this is the iceberg down here into the sea. And when it goes higher into an overbought situation and we have like an overbought for a little bit, for just a tiny bit, and the price corrects, this is not so good, okay? This is not something that you like. This is not something that you feel like, oh great, we are going all the way higher. Maybe we're going a little bit sideways into the 41.1k. Maybe we go back down and then we go higher. We do not know for now for certain, but we have some important resistance support levels. Right now, we do not have an oversold situation. We do not have a crazy overbought situation right here. All we want is the RSI to climb back above the 70. That's what we want to see for Bitcoin. On the short term, if we go and look closely, we have though an oversold. We are going into an oversold on the stochastic RSI, which is good. And now what we are doing is we're holding the 50-day exponential moving average as well, the 43,000 Tether USD. So if I put a price label right there, you can check it out. Also, the Bitcoin's bull market support band is now approaching the price. You can see that right here, the bottom line right there, the 21-week EMA, it is approaching the line. It sits at around 46.5k, and it will be a very strong resistance level for the time being. We are going right now to Ethereum. Ethereum is looking a little bit more bearish than Bitcoin. It hasn't climbed up yet above the 50-day EMA. It broke above a little bit right there, but now we are finding rejection. Does this mean that we are going all the way down? No, but at the end of the day, for Ethereum, we have a very strong support line, and especially also the 20-day EMA is a strong support level. But as you can see, the time that we went beyond the 20-day EMA, we had actually a great buying entry. All right, so what I want to see right here for Ethereum is that if we lose the support level, we are going down to the next one, which will be the 2.7k around there. and from there we might be having another buying pressure for Ethereum covering this 0.5 Fibonacci retracement zone and then have a buying pressure all the way up here. That is the case though if Bitcoin goes down to 41.1k as well, because we have one more strong support level, and that is of 3,000 Tether USD. So if we do not leave this area right here, we are not going further down, and therefore the price target for Ethereum would be the 3.5k actually, to be more precise, right? So therefore we have strong chances, high chances of getting back there. We might also be forming some type of a bullish flag of the triangle right here on the daily frame. You can see that if we were to connect the bottoms right here, I would actually be going from here, but we do not know the next bottom right there on the daily frame. Okay, it might be here, it might be there, it might be a little bit down from the 20-day EMA. We do not know it yet for sure. If we were about to take this bottom trend line, it should be like this one right here, okay? And we should have the 20-day EMA and also the 3,000 Tether USD around there, 2.95 as a major support level for Ethereum. Anyway, we are looking forward to see maybe if we do something, if we have something like a bull flag, maybe if we form something like a triangle, a symmetrical triangle right there, we could potentially have a breakout and we could potentially go even higher. We might be on a further correction right now. At the same time though, sorry, the 4-hour frame here, stochastic RSI going into an oversold. We hold the 50-day EMA, which is good, so it isn't necessary that we are going further down. We might be breaking the resistance, the top trend line right now, and maybe possibly be on our way for our higher target. Let's go back to Bitcoin and the price analysis right here. As I told you, for me, a crash is more possible if we just go down and find rejection and then go down again. Find rejection on the 41.1k, all right? So therefore, this is a very, very huge possible crash happening if we do something like that. But at the end of the day, what we have here for Bitcoin could be a case of what we discussed about on the Ethereum as well. Could be a case of a bull flag, okay? So if we go back here and have this trend lines right there, this could be easily a bull flag, all right? However, you do not know exactly the bottom. Should be here, could be actually there a little bit further down. We could have possibly a bull flag. That means that we could be going even higher. Let's say that we are here, okay, and we start our way even higher today, all right? So we are at the bottom right there and we have a great buying opportunity, surpassing the top trend line right there, and then going into our next price target, which will be the 46.6 to 46.8k, all right? This is a very strong resistance level area, and if we can surpass it, then we can manage maybe to be getting up to the 50k. You can see that the other line is at the 51k, and this whole area right here is a very strong resistance level for Bitcoin right now. Although these lines, I want to tell you, and I want to be honest with you, that are a little bit biased, okay? I'm not sure that this will form out. I'm not sure that the bull flag will happen. I'm just saying something random right there that might possibly happen. In the meantime, though, it has more chances because we have already the stochastic RSI in an oversold. We are seeing the stochastic RSI. We are monitoring the stochastic RSI when we have an impulsive wave on the 4-hour frame. Okay, we care about it. In a normal market, we do not care about it so much. Commodity channel index not yet into an oversold, but we are going probably to get there, and the RSI is in the middle, so we do not have any oversold or any overbought situation. For the time being, we hold very, very good the 50-day exponential moving average as well, the red line, which is pretty good. At the same time though, if we lose that, then we could potentially be going into the next targets for on the downside, okay? Maybe possibly further down, especially if we lose this bottom trend line right here on the daily frame, but not this bottom exactly. All right, we have some other support levels to be looking at on the 4-hour frame, and I will tell you that on the short term, we draw our Fibonacci from this bottom right here up all the way to this top, and you can see that we are now at the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement. What would be the best case right here, close above the 43.153 into the 4-hour frame, and then we will go probably into next targets, and might be this bottom line right here, and Bitcoin might be going even higher. But if we close below, then we can go to the 42.7, and we have one very strong support level at 42.22. In overall, to conclude this, I feel like Bitcoin has not lost its strength yet. However, it is not the same bull run as it was back on July, as it was back on October. That's why I feel like many scenarios that are going with a flat running pattern or the 69K are false for now, and we have mountains of resistances to climb yet. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, link in the description box and in the comment section, Patreon/MindYourCrypto, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.